In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form on monday.com. First, open monday.com and sign into your account. Once you're in, make sure you're viewing the workspace and board where you want this form to live, so everything you collect lands in the right place. On the left side of the screen, look for the plus icon. This is your quick access to creating new items and views. Click that plus icon, and from the options that appear, choose Form. This opens the form builder so you can set up your form without leaving your board. You'll see an option to use AI to help design your form. This is a great time saver. In the prompt area, tell the AI what you want the form to do and what information you need to collect. Be as specific as you can and keep privacy in mind. Don't include any sensitive personal data in your prompt. For example, you might say you want a simple registration form that collects a person's full name, email address, company, job role, and a drop-down for session preference, as well as a checkbox to agree to terms. Clear descriptions help the AI choose the right field types and labels. When your description looks good, click Generate Preview. Monday.com will take a few seconds to interpret your prompt and build a draft form that matches your request. While it generates, just hang tight. You'll see it assemble the fields, set placeholders, and arrange the layout for you. Once the preview appears, take a moment to look it over, make sure the fields are named correctly, the field types make sense, and the order reflects how you want people to move through the form. If the AI nailed it, you're ready for the final step. If not, you can refine your prompt and generate again, but for now, we'll proceed. Click Create Form. This confirms your setup and adds the form as a view on your board. From here, your team can access it, and it's ready for you to share when you're ready. Submissions will flow directly into your board so you can track, filter, and follow up without any manual copying. That's the whole process. Sign in, open the plus menu on the left, select form, describe what you need to the AI with a clear example, generate a preview and let it build, then create the form to finalize it. With this approach, you'll have a polished, functional form in minutes, aligned to your board and your workflow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building forms faster with monday.com.